Today I will be showing you how to find lesson plans and helpful resources for teaching third graders about eating healthy. So we're just going to go ahead and go to PBS Learning Media. I love this website for finding all kinds of resources for the classroom. It's very, very helpful. So we're just going to go ahead and do it. It's very simple. It's just type in eating healthy or anything kind of related to that. So you'll see we get already 938 search results, and you go down and there's videos, all types of different resources, lesson plans, just things to help you out in the classroom when teaching this subject. And since we want third grade, we'll just go ahead and go to third. And then you can see this gives you all of these different videos, resources, tips for the classroom on teaching this subject. And you can see it narrowed down from 900 results to 200, just because it is just focused on third grade, but 200 results is still a lot. So when you're looking for different resources for teaching this subject, I really recommend pbslearningmedia.org, just because it gives the best resources specifically for the Utah core content. So this is a great resource to use.